Welcome back to the Clark Star Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a shrimp chili. I've already got all my vegetables and everything pre-prepped. Shrimp's clean and deveined. So we're going to just go ahead and get this started. The first thing I'm going to do is I've got my pan warm and I've got 1 tablespoon of butter. So we're just going to melt that in the bottom of the pan. I saw that quite a few of you all have watched the outdoor video. Thank you so much for your support and watching that video. We will have more to come. And right now I want to bring the heat up on my pan here, just to where it starts sizzling. We're going to add 1/4 of a diced medium-sized white onion, 1/2 of a bell pepper, and you can use any color of your choice. And we just need to sweat the onion and bell pepper. And also you can use any oil of your choice when you're sweating the vegetables. No problem at all. I've got the onions and bell pepper set, so now I'm going to add 14 ounces of canned diced tomatoes. Let's give that a stir. And now I'm going to add the rest of our ingredients minus the shrimp. The shrimp go in last. I've got 1 can of small red beans. And we're going to add the kernels from 2 ears of corn. One Serrano pepper. And give those a stir. And this is a really fresh chili here that we're making. Lots of vegetables. And as usual with most of my recipes, very simple ingredients. Okay. Let's add an 1/8 cup of cilantro. We got that minced up pretty good. 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1½ tablespoons of chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And I'm just going to add a pinch of cumin. And 1/2 teaspoon of Red Chili Flakes. And we want to give this a good stir. Get that chili powder mixed in there really well. Right now I've got the temperature set to medium. And once you've done all the prep work, this is a very quick dish to make. Actually, I think it's less time to cook it than it takes to prep. But it's really good and healthy. And now we're just going to add some salt to taste. And lastly, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of shrimp that I've cleaned and deveined. Going to pour and mix those right in. Alright, I'm going to place the lid on this pot and put the temperature down to like a medium low. So I got the lid and place it down. And I'm just going to let this rest here for 3 to 5 minutes because the shrimp don't take long to cook and we'll be ready to eat. Okay, so 5 minutes are up. I'm going to give this another stir. Stir that delicious shrimp flavor all around. And we are ready to serve. I've got a nice cup of rice here. Just going to add some of our chili over into our plate. And you can enjoy this without the rice. It's a perfectly delicious dish without it. And we're just going to add some green onions. And that is our take on shrimp chili. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification icon so you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.